Kung si Ping, after he heard yung mga argumento namin, ayaw niya na maputulan ng paa ang Senado. Kasi sabi ko ito, example ito na parang pina-amputate natin ang ating paa rito voluntarily. Hindi dapat.
So hindi kayo naniwala, sir, doon sa sinabi nila that it's not precedent setting?
You can only say that, but what about the records? Will the records not be there for historical purposes? That's for it.
Kahit na, sir, kasi parang yung compromise proposal ng Supreme Court, it wasn't written on anything. It was really meant to just break the impasse.
Yeah, but that's not the way we look at it, because sabi ko nga, if this were just a private controversy between individuals, then you look for a compromise. But this involves national interest. So how do you compromise national interest?
It's suspect pa, sir, yung proposal na yun ng Supreme Court. Is it suspect?
Oo naman. It should not come from me. I'm a lawyer, and I have to just argue from legal point of views, Pero more or less, sa tingin namin, that kind of an arrangement will really, ginamit ko nga ron, amputate the legs of the Senate by our own act.